Worried that your old AI conversations are piling up in your chat list? Today, I'll show you how to delete chat history in ChatGPT and keep your conversations clean and private. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart AI tricks and powerful tech tips in minutes. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where your chats are saved. Step 2. Open the menu. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the sidebar showing all your previous chats. Step 3. Find the chat scroll down to the bottom where your past conversations are listed. Press and hold the chat you want to remove. Step 4. Tap Delete. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. Select the Delete option to remove that conversation. If this quick tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart AI tutorials and hidden tech tricks. Step 5. Confirm the deletion tap. Delete again to confirm the action. The selected chat will immediately disappear from your chat list. Step 6. Repeat if needed. Repeat the same process for any other chats you want to remove. Within seconds, you can completely clean up your chat history. And that's how you can clear your chat history in ChatGPT. Cleaning old chats keeps your conversation list organized and protects your privacy at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Preyo Phonie tutorial.